How's anybody supposed to get anything done around here? Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll be installing a harness bar that I purchased from Amazon. It was about $171 shipped. It was listed for the SC300, but judging from the amount of hardware, it was obvious it was a universal application. The quality is nice and sturdy, and it also has a satin black powder coat finish. The install was pretty straightforward. I just removed all the seatbelt mounts and used the bolts using multiple washers to allow for better fitment. This took me a couple tries before I got it right. I mocked everything up finger tight and used a level before tightening everything down. It's not really required, but I'm OCD like that, so I just had to make sure it was straight. Well, that's the harness bar install. Really easy. Next episode will probably be the seatbelt harness, 5-point harness, and bucket seats. So stay tuned, subscribe. Thanks.